Hello, today we'll be comparing Hamilton Beach 1 press programmable dispensing drip coffee maker versus Braun Brew Sense drip coffee maker. Be sure to watch to the end and I will tell you which is better. Links to all the products are in the description. Brewing options are Thai. Capacity Hamilton Beach is better. Material build Braun is better. Brew range control is Thai. Programmable features is Thai. Our water reservoir Hamilton Beach is better. Keep warm function Hamilton Beach is better. After shut off is Thai. Grinder is Thai. Milk frozen is Thai. Dimensions Braun is better. Ease of cleaning Hamilton Beach is better. Care of time Hamilton is winner. Price is Thai. Special features Braun is better. If you want to get the most powerful, durable device that will really taste good making coffee, then the best choice will be the Hamilton Beach 1 press programmable dispensing drip coffee maker. The link to buy it is in the video description.